Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect OBS Studio to Twitch using Streamlabs detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Streamlabs website. If you don't have a Streamlabs account, create one using your email or sign in with your existing Twitch account. Once logged in, locate the dashboard section. On the left sidebar, click on Settings. In the Settings menu, select in the Stream Type section, choose Streaming Services. Then, select Twitch as your streaming platform. Next, connect your Twitch account by clicking the Connect button. Authorize Streamlabs to access your Twitch account by following the prompts. After authorizing, head back to the Streamlabs dashboard. Look for the OBS option in the left side panel and click on it. Download Streamlabs OBS if you haven't already. Once Streamlabs OBS is installed, launch the application. In Streamlabs OBS, navigate to the bottom left corner and choose Settings. Click on Stream in the Settings menu. Make sure your stream type is set to Streaming Services and select Twitch again. Your account should already be connected. If not, follow the prompts to sign in. Adjust your stream settings according to your preferences. Now, set up your scenes and sources within Streamlabs OBS. To do this, click on the plus icon in the Sources box to add video sources, audio sources, or game capture. Once you have your scenes and sources set up, return to the main dashboard. For a final check, ensure your webcam and microphone settings are correct. Click on the Go Live button in the bottom right corner when you're ready to start streaming. Your OBS Studio is now successfully connected to Twitch via Streamlabs, and you are live. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.